Today, the main news for the market is coming from OPEC+. Despite a 2-week delay, the cartel has finally agreed to ramp up oil output by 2 million barrels per day. From August, crude supply will increase by 400,000 barrels per day. Russia and Saudi Arabia will account for half of the output increase. As a result, rising supply should cool oil prices. However, oil has notably depreciated before this decision in anticipation of such a scenario. The agreement eliminates many possible risks, including price wars and disruption to the work of the grouping. Against this backdrop, oil may experience a slight rise amid a positive outcome of the OPEC Plus negotiations. Amid this news, Brent crude declined to $72.30 per barrel after a number of speculative sharp moves. This is the range where the number of short positions has decreased. Experts say that Brent may well bounce back from the pivot point, given that this has already happened several times. However, the market cycle may change if the price manages to hold below the level of $72 per barrel, which is unlikely to happen in the near future. Most probably, the price will soon start a correction and Brent will stay trading between $72 and $73 a barrel. As for WTI, its price has overcome a psychologically important mark of $70 a barrel and moved below it. To develop a downward cycle, WTI needs to hold below the level of 70. Otherwise, we may observe a predictable pullback. The pullback is very likely to happen in the course of the trading day. In this case, the price may edge a bit lower to $69 per barrel. Meanwhile, the dollar-ruble pair was trading in the narrow range between 73.90 and 74.50 for the whole past week. It seems that the pair was going through a massive accumulation process. Therefore, the breakout of the narrow trading channel in either direction seems the most possible scenario. Given a sharp decline in oil prices, the ruble may easily lose its support. So we can expect to see the ruble declining below the level of 75 against the greenback in the coming days. This situation has definitely influenced the euro-ruble pair. As we can see on the chart, the pair has fallen from its peak levels last week. In recent days, trading has been sluggish and the price range was very narrow. The quotes are now moving in the sideways channel without any clear dynamics. In this case, the trading strategy based on a breakout is the best option with minimum risks. It is highly likely that the price will break through the upper boundary of the range due to the weak support of the ruble amid depreciating oil prices. For almost an entire week, the ruble has been standing still despite serious fluctuations in the foreign exchange market. Even the news from OPEC Plus has not moved the ruble, probably because the decision was made during the weekend when trading was closed. Besides, the Russian oil industry will make up for the inevitable decline in oil prices by increasing its production volumes. So the ruble is now unpredictable, as it can both jump or collapse at any moment. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.